Hi, I'm Chris from Teak Warehouse, and today we're going to build the Nova 78-inch rectangle table. It's very simple to build. Just attach the 4 legs and use the tool provided. Now we're going to open the box and take the items out. Once you get the table unboxed, it's good to line up the symbols with the symbol on the table. Insert the legs. Each bolt requires 3 components to lock it down. First the washer, then the lock washer, which has a split in it, and then the nut. And put your washers on. Then the locking washer, and then the bolt. The nut, sorry. Use the attached tool to tighten the nuts onto the bolt. And here is the finished Nova 78-inch rectangle table. Don't forget the umbrella cap, stainless steel, in case you're not putting an umbrella in the middle.